Good day to everyone. Today I am going to tell you two stories. In India, it is time is around 11 o'clock, time to bed. So you can have it as a bedtime stories. One story is from Maggie, to the 2 minutes noodles Maggie. And in the another story, I am going to say it about Domino Pizzas. So a very simple story. So I will not take much time to explain the story. Okay, but it's very interesting to have a story also. So Maggie, that 2 minutes noodle was introduced in India, costing rupees 10 per packet. So it was going on well, the sales was good, and then Maggie thought, okay, why don't we increase the price? They did so. They increased the price to 11 rupees. The sales started coming down. The reason is very simple. The buyer has to carry extra 1 rupee coin to buy the noodles for 11 rupees, or the seller has to give a change of 9 rupees if he somebody the 9 rupees plus something else. So it is inconvenient for both the buyer as a seller. So what the seller will do, he will give you another brand of rupees 10 rupee value. So the sales are dropped a lot for Maggie. So they come out with a new idea. Instead of increasing the price, they reduce the amount of Maggie inside the noodles. No one knows. So once again they brought down the price to 10 rupees, but with the reduced quantity inside. So I think long ago they started with 100 grams and now they are selling at 75 grams only. So this is how the sales were able to maintain. So this is the story of Maggie's. Now let us see the story of Domino Pizzas. It is not a story actually, but it is how carefully they are wording their sales pitch. Here we have to see each and every word you have chosen very carefully. 2 Domino Pizzas at the cost of rupees 199 each. Okay, many of us better see the ad, okay, buy 2 get 1, buy 1 get 2. So okay, if you pay for 1 pizza, they will give you 2 pizzas. That is a general expectation of a human people, but see how cleverly these Domino people worded 2. They are starting with the number 2. 2 Domino. They are promoting their brand Domino. Pizzas, 2 pizzas at rupees 199. 199. Instead of saying 200, they are saying 199 each. So there is they are selling the pizza at the cost of rupees 199. Absolutely no discount. So, but most of the people will misread each. So this is the easy way of I won't say cheating and deceiving, but getting the sale to them. But one thing I want to say that many people you have a habit of instead of 100 they will say 99, instead of 200 they say 199, instead of 1000 they will say 999. But this is going on maybe for 2 decades or more than that. I have trained my mind to read 99 as 100, 199 as 200, 999 as 1000. So if many people have trained their mind to read 99 as 100, then this advertising as 99 may not be much of value. So people have to do some research on this area whether 99 is 99 or 99 is 100. So this is end of the stories. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that we can view, we can listen more such stories and go to bed before the end of the day. Thank you for watching. Kindly view my sales training program based on Brilliant Tracy. They are wonderful programs. I am applying many of the concepts in my day-to-day life of selling, and then I am reaching the benefit. I want you also get the benefit of those training videos. Or if you want more detailed and in-depth training, come to me. I will teach you one-on-one. Once again, this is Kadal Amudam from Chennai signing off. Good day to you.